guys, it's Morgan, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about episode 1 and episode 2 of She-Hulk, Attorney at Law. Now, if you haven't seen the episodes, there will be spoilers in this review, so stop watching if you don't want to be spoiled. So, here's my review for episode 1 and episode 2 of She-Hulk, Attorney at Law. Now, before I get into the episodes, I just want to say that I did watch all 5 shorts of I Am Groot, but I decided not to do a review for it since the episodes were pretty short. There wouldn't really be a lot to talk about. But I've always loved Baby Groot, so I thought all of the episodes were really cute. My favorite was the one where Groot made a family portrait of him and the other members of the Guardians of the Galaxy. The shorts also did a great job showing that even though Baby Groot is really cute, you shouldn't mess with him. I also saw that there's another 5 episodes of I Am Groot in development, so I'm excited to see what else Baby Groot gets up to. I've always thought that playing Groot is probably the easiest job that Vin Diesel's ever had. I mean, he just has to go into a studio, say I am Groot a bunch of different times, and then he's done. I don't know if it's more complex than that, but it doesn't sound like a complicated job. Right when the episode started, I was annoyed with what Dennis was saying to Jennifer about how he should do the closing arguments. So I was glad that Jennifer's friend Nikki defended her. I was also glad that it was explained why Bruce was in his human form. And I also thought it was interesting that the reason Jennifer became She-Hulk was because some of Bruce's blood got on her after the car accident. I really loved that the minute the group of women saw how Jennifer looked after the car accident, they immediately wanted to help her since they thought she was attacked. And I also thought it was nice that they all offered her their phones when she said she wanted to call her cousin. And before any of the men said anything to Jennifer, I knew what was going to happen. And when Jennifer hulked out, there was a part of me that wanted to see her fight the men, but it was good that Smart Hulk stopped her. It was funny how Smart Hulk reacted when he saw that all of the things that took him a long time to learn came really easy to Jennifer. And it was also funny to see that Smart Hulk was jealous when Jennifer hulked out, since she was still Jennifer and didn't have another identity in her. I understood why Jennifer reacted the way that she did when Smart Hulk told her that she was now a superhero, since that wasn't what she wanted, and she wanted to go back to her life as a lawyer. And I could understand both of their sides. Smart Hulk wanted to help Jennifer deal with her new life, and Jennifer didn't want her life to change. I thought it was funny when Smart Hulk told Jennifer that he was okay with her wanting to go back to her life as a lawyer, and Jennifer thanked him, but then told the audience that he didn't mean it. And I also thought the face that Smart Hulk made was pretty funny, since it basically said, "Who are you talking to?" When Jennifer said that only her family and Nikki knew about her being a Hulk and that she hadn't hulked out in a long time, I knew that that wasn't going to last. And the episode ended with Jennifer having to hulk out in front of everyone in the courtroom when Titania showed up. But we had to wait until episode 2 to see how everyone reacted. It was also funny when, in the mid-credits scene, Jennifer pretended to be drunk so Smart Hulk would tell her that Steve wasn't a virgin. It was nice to see that the public were fans of Jennifer as the She-Hulk, but I also felt sorry for her since she was fired from her law firm for being a liability and she couldn't get a job at any other law firm. But then Holden Holloway hired her to be the head of the superhero law division at his law firm, but she had to do it as the She-Hulk. I also thought that Jennifer's family was pretty funny, and I really loved how supportive her dad was. I understood why Jennifer was upset when she found out that the only reason that she got her new job was because she was the She-Hulk. And I also didn't blame her for how she reacted when she found out that she would be representing Emil Blonsky, aka Abomination, since he tried to kill Bruce. But Holloway didn't have a problem with that. And even though Jennifer said that she would have to think about representing Emil, when Emil told her that the only reason he attacked the Hulk was because the government told him to, I have a feeling that Jennifer is going to use that when she defends him. I liked that Jennifer called Smart Hulk to tell him that she was going to represent Emil Blonsky, and it was nice that Smart Hulk was fine with it. I'm also curious to find out what Smart Hulk is doing, since he was on the Sicarian spacecraft that caused the car accident that turned Jennifer into She-Hulk. I also thought it was funny when Smart Hulk said he was a different man when he fought Abomination, since that works in two ways. Smart Hulk and Bruce has grown since then, but also Mark Ruffalo wasn't in the Hulk movie. Edward Norton was. So he really is a different man. I'm wondering how Jennifer's going to deal with the fact that footage of Abomination participating in an underground fight club was leaked. And we also saw that in Shang-Chi and the Legend of the Ten Rings. And based on that movie, we know that Wong took Abomination there. And Wong was also in a trailer for She-Hulk, so that explains why. I also thought it was nice that the mid-credit scene was Jennifer using her She-Hulk strength to help her family around the house. Thanks for watching, guys! If you saw the episodes, let me know in the comments what you thought about them. I also have reviews for WandaVision, The Falcon and the Winter Soldier, Loki, What If, Hawkeye, Moon Knight, and Miss Marvel. So if you want to see those reviews, you can find the playlists on my channel. And if you want to see any of my future reviews for She-Hulk Attorney at Law or any of my other future videos, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.